News 15 at 6 begins with breaking news.
That breaking news, a major impact for Louisiana stemming from the federal government shutdown. The National Flood Insurance Program has lapsed after Congress failed to reauthorize it by last night's midnight deadline.
As News 15's Drake R. Francois explains, coverage options are now cut off for nearly 500,000 Louisiana families, and real estate transactions are frozen across Acadiana's flood zones.
Flood insurance for thousands of homeowners across Acadiana at risk due to the government's shutdown.
It's flooded.
Acadiana is used to flooding, but some homeowners could be left high and dry after Congress failed to renew the National Flood Insurance Program before the federal government shutdown. That could force homeowners to pay for flood damages out of pocket and also delay some home purchases.
Most of the insulation had fallen, so I had to sweep that up.
That is government backed and funded, so no new policies will be able to be issued or renewed, which is a pretty big deal. If somebody's buying a house in a flood zone and they have to have flood insurance as a requirement of their mortgage, they would be unable to purchase one of those policies, and it could hold up the closing.
When a home is built in a flood zone, mortgage lenders require that the home buyer purchase flood insurance before moving into that home. But now, thanks to the shutdown, home buyers, mortgage lenders, and insurance companies have their hands tied. So homeowners looking for flood insurance can't rely on the feds.
There's always private market floods. So the private market flood is it's going to be kind of like a homeowner's policy, right? Where you're not going to be government backed. It's a separate company that writes flood insurance. There's quite a few of them out there. Most independent brokers like ourselves will have access to those carriers.
In Lafayette, I'm Drake R. Francois for News 15.